In this video, I'll be looking at introduction to amortization. So what is amortization? Basically, amortization is gradual repayment of debt over time. Now, loans can be fully amortized, partially amortized, or negatively amortized. Fully amortized loans pays all of its principal and accumulated interest at the end of the loan term, whereas a partially amortized loan is when you pay off a portion of accumulated interest and principal plus a balloon payment at the end of the term. So let's have a look at some of the calculations that I've already done. I have a loan of $30 million with an interest rate of 5% and the term is 8 years. I also have a balloon payment to compare a fully amortized loan with a partially amortized loan. Here you can see a fully amortized loan monthly payment is about $380,000, whereas a partially amortized loan has a payment of $303,000 a month. The idea here is to understand that if you pick a fully amortized loan, chances are your monthly repayments will be higher than a loan which is partially amortized and has a balloon payment at the end of the period. Now, the question is, why would you pick a fully amortized loan? And why not pick a partially amortized loan when it's cheaper? Well, the answer is, if you have a fully amortized loan, you have a fixed payment over the period of time. You make your payments, and then you have no further liabilities. Whereas, in terms of partially amortized loan, you make your monthly payments, plus at the end of the period, you have to pay an extra $9 million to settle the contract. Now, depending on the circumstances of the organization, you might pick one or another. For example, you might want to pick a partially amortized loan when you need extra money to run your projects. For example, by looking at this example, you can see if the business picks partially amortized loan, they'll have an extra $76K which they can use in their projects. The idea really here is to understand the differences and the different type of loans and the effect of amortization on those loans over the period of time.